In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell car seat covers with Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Selling customized car seat covers can be a fantastic way to tap into a niche market, and Printify makes it easier than ever to create and manage your products without the overhead of stock and inventory. First, let's start with the basics. Printify is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create custom products and sell them online. The beautiful thing about print-on-demand is that you only pay for the items after you've sold them, which means you don't need to invest a lot of money up front. This is especially handy for someone who might be just starting out in the e-commerce world. To get started, you'll first want to create an account on Printify. Simply head over to their website and sign up. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and a password. Once you're in, take a little time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It can be quite intuitive, but it's always a good idea to get the lay of the land. Next, let's focus on the car seat covers. To do this, you'll navigate to the Catalog section of Printify. Here, you can browse through a wide range of products, including various styles and materials for car seat covers. Once you find the ones that suit your vision, click on them to explore customization options. Now is where the fun begins. You can upload your own designs or artwork. If you don't have designs ready, don't worry. There are plenty of resources online where you can create or source designs, such as Canva, Adobe Illustrator, or even free design platforms that offer templates. Make sure your designs are vibrant and eye-catching. After all, these are meant to enhance the aesthetics of a car's interior. As you're designing, keep in mind the dimensions and printing specifications. Printify provides guidelines on how to ensure that your graphics fit perfectly on the seat covers. It's important to follow these guidelines closely to avoid any issues when the product gets printed. Once you're satisfied with your designs, it's time to set your pricing. Think about your target market and how much they might be willing to pay. You want to ensure that your price covers the cost of production while still leaving you a margin for profit. Take some time to look at competing products to get a sense of the market. You want to strike a balance between being competitive and ensuring you're making a profit. After you've finalized your products and pricing, the next step is to connect your Printify store to an e-commerce platform. Printify seamlessly integrates with popular options like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and Wix. If you already have a platform in mind, just follow the integration instructions on Printify to get everything set up. Once your store is connected, you can start publishing your car seat covers for sale. Create compelling product descriptions that not only explain the features, but also entice potential customers with the benefits of having a unique, custom-designed car interior. Remember, storytelling in your product descriptions can really resonate with buyers. After listing your products, the next crucial step is marketing. You might want to consider social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your seat covers. Visual platforms work great for products like these because they can really draw attention with the right images. You can also consider running ads targeted at car enthusiasts or individuals who have recently purchased new vehicles. Don't forget about SEO or search engine optimization for your product listings. Use relevant keywords that people might be searching for when looking for car seat covers. This will help increase the visibility of your products on search engines. Finally, keep track of your sales and customer feedback as you start to make sales. This will help you understand what designs are popular and where you may need to adjust pricing or offerings. Your business will grow as you listen to your audience and optimize your products accordingly. And there you have it. That's how to sell car seat covers with Printify. I hope this information helps you on your entrepreneurial journey. If you're inspired to give this a shot, be sure to like the video.